Welcome back to the Dividend Diplomats YouTube channel, everybody. Lanny, Bert, your boys, the Dividend Diplomats. Everyone, today we're going to talk about something fun in this video. I'm selling out of one loser in my portfolio. And at the same time, I'm going to invest that fund and grow my income by 271% on those same dollars.
Guys, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Give Bert, the Hurt, and Laney a thumbs up on this video. We crossed 15,000. We want to head not just to 20, but to 25,000 subscribers as the next step because we're trying to help you and all investors out there reach financial freedom. How? By buying dividend stocks, adding to that passive income total. Let's freaking go.
I was stumped there for a second, Lanny. I wasn't sure if I was going to guess how we're going about doing that. Kidding everybody. But one of the things we've done in 2022, besides the fact that we continue to try and buy as much stock as we can and grow our income by every dollar that we possibly can, we've also taken some time this year to do some soul searching on our portfolio. Lanny's been dividend investing for well over a decade, not almost, well over. I'm the one that's almost been investing in dividend stocks for almost a decade. I'm not too far behind. Lanny had a little bit of a head start. And as everybody knows, your portfolios grow over time. Stocks you may have bought 7 years ago, 8 years ago may no longer be fits for your portfolio. They may not even be dividend growth stocks from the road. So Wayne and I throughout the year have taken different steps and different actions to clean up our portfolios, get rid of some stocks that may no longer be the best fit for our portfolio, and invest them in stocks in 2022 that are much better fits.
Oh, it's true. It's damn true. Kurt Angle style, guys. So Bert, what stock are you selling? How much is it? What's the total value and where are you at?
All right. Thanks to everyone in YouTube, the YouTube community. I know how to pronounce this company's name correctly. So it's Schlumberger, not Schlumberger, Schlumberger. I'm kidding. I probably botched it, but I thought I got that one pretty well there. Ticker symbol SLB. So let's talk history here on this stock. I bought this stock December 31st, 2014 at $88.48 per share. Zoom out. Oil's kind of been in turmoil since that point. We've gone through two major oil booms right now. What was it, Lanny? 2016 was the first one where the price of oil just kind of cratered. It caused a lot of issues with KMI where they cut the dividend and a lot of the other weaker oil companies there. We had the pandemic issues where oil once again cratered. It's rebounded since, but you saw a lot of great companies cut their dividend. Schlumberger is one of those companies that cut its dividend. I bought it back in the day when oil was on the rise. Everything was great. They're one of the major service companies for these oil companies. So if you're doing a big project, you're contracting this company here to make it happen. So when oil's flowing, the price is high, revenue's going out the wazoo, things are great. When companies tighten their belt, SLB is going to lose revenue accordingly because people aren't drilling, they're not exploring. So that's really what's changed with the company. I bought it when oil was on the upward trajectory. It's been through some rough cycles since then, staring at an unrealized loss in this position for quite some time.
Now, Bert, I have to ask, what's your unrealized loss right now in Schlumberger?
Yeah, well, it recently popped up this last week, 17%, I believe, which is now over $50 per share. So you can do the math. I own 11 shares of this company at $50 per share. I bought it at 88.40 thing. So it's still a $300 something loss on there. I'll put the exact total down there. Still though, even though I'm taking an unrealized loss, I don't care. This is recovered enough. I'm excited to be able to take this opportunity, sell my stake, get back $589.95 and invest it in another company in my Roth IRA that will be better income producing going forward.
Where you just say, I'm ready to take back what's mine.
I am. It's my income and I want it right now.
All right, guys. So he's selling it. It's in your Roth IRA. You have about $590 worth. Now, you had a debate between one stock or the next. Which stock are you picking to move the funds into? Again, they produce $8 for you at a yield of nice 1.39%, which is below the S&P 500. Little puny SLB. Get that weak stuff out of here, brother.
Yeah.
So what are you moving it into, Jack?
Realty income, ticker symbol O. This has been a stock that Lanny and I have been talking about for quite some time. We've been following it on here. We both are major shareholders of Realty Income, ticker symbol O, that monthly dividend paying company, the one that throws you an eighth of a quarter dividend boost every 3 months or so, except for that one big increase that they do. I own a little over 100 shares of Realty Income. I bought it in the low 40s. Since then, the price has jumped up into the 70s, but 2022 has not been kind for Realty Income like so many other REITs, as high interest rates wreak havoc on balance sheets. On balance sheets, Realty Income is one of the best in the business. They've increased that dividend. They're a dividend aristocrat, everybody. They've increased that dividend for 25 plus consecutive years through good times and bad. That's why we love this company. It's a very easy swap out free. I'm going to take the $589.95 from Schlumberger and move it into Realty Income at a current yield of 5.16%. So just estimating if that's going to make this position $30.44. Remember what Lanny said, the Schlumberger position, $8.20. A net addition here of $22.24 of dividend income without investing another dollar. Lanny, what percent increase is that?
A 271% increase from that current investment that you already have. Again, moving from a 1.39% to a 5.16%. Not only is that cool, but you're also compounding monthly then.
Yep, you're right. And it's going to help increase income in some off months there. So I'm very excited about that. And overall, Realty Income's just a great company. I'm excited to keep building my position here.
And Bert, how many shares of Realty Income do you own, if you don't mind me asking you to the community, if you have that handy by any chance?
As a matter of fact, Lanny, I do mind you asking, but I'm going to tell you anyway. I'm going to tell the community anyway.
Really?
Yeah, I am. You know what I am? I'm logging into my brokerage account right now. I'm clicking on my Roth IRA. I'm clicking on the balances of the positions to see how many shares of Realty Income I own. Everybody, drum roll, please. I own 111.071 shares of Realty Income. So my current income from Realty Income produces $101. So it's going to add in another 30 to that there, everybody. So that's what it's all about. Growing that income, getting those monthly dividends, climbing, and moving it from one stock that doesn't fit your investment strategy anymore in Schlumberger. I can't say it without laughing. And moving it into a company that you like, you respect, and you're pumped up to keep adding in Realty Income. That's what it's all about.
In the words of Arnold, when it burns, it grows. When it drips, it grows.
Yeah, that's right, everybody. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of this move? Some of the other contenders were T. Rowe Price in my Roth or Canadian Imperial, 2 other 5% yielding companies right now. Would you have gone with those instead of Realty Income? Let me know. I'm curious. I don't think I could have gone wrong, but please let me know if you disagree.
I was going to say too, doing the Realty Income in your Roth, granted the taxation just a little bit higher in the individual tax portfolio, could make more sense too, what you're doing.
Yeah. No, you're right there. The tax components of it are important too. So everybody, again, let us know below. If you haven't already, you know what you need to do. Help your boys out, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. Lanny, you know what you need to do to cap this video off.
Well, let me tell you something, brothers. We need the subscribers. We need to hit that 25,000 jack. Guys, we appreciate the support. That was Bert, the Hurt, and Lanny from the Dividend Diplomats. Over and out.